Look at this. It is a silver raspora fish.
Wow!
Look at this. It is a comb fish.
Yay!
Look at this. It is a lobster.
Yeah!
Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Yes!
Look at this. It is a koi fish. Look at this. It is a crab.
Hi!
Look at this. It is a pearl gourami fish.
Goodbye!
Look at this. It is a red devilfish. Look at this. It is a zebra cichlid fish.